What's up, YouTube? This is a bike check. Start off from the front. We got the S&M Slam Bars XLT, black. Slam. Animal jump off stem. Odyssey director forks. Stock alienation front rim, seal bearings. New GLH tires. Eastern sprocket, 25-2. Storm team cranks. Animal twisted PC pedals. Animal seat post, animal seat clamp, pivotal. Eastern 9-tooth, Verde chain, and the Haro Convert frame. This is what it sounds like. Yeah, pretty nice. If I should change anything, put some comments. Tell me what you think. And I'm planning an upgrade, but I don't know what to put. Oh, and I also got some Ori grips. They suck. So yeah, tell me what I should buy next, and yeah, comment.